Hi everyone, how's it going everybody? In this tutorial we are going to teach you how to make an application to calculate the factorial of number. If you know what is the factorial, you can escape this part of tutorial. In mathematics, the factorial of a non-negative integer n denoted by n exclamation mark is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. For example, 4 factorial is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equals 24. But there are two exceptions. There is no factorial definition for negative numbers. It causes an error, and 0 factorial is equal to 1. It's an exception. So let's go and solve the problem. Pause the video and think about this. Before we go to the solution, I want to tell you something about this passage statement, which is something for empty functions. If we want to leave a function empty, we have to write this pass statement here, and if we raise it, it will cause an error. For writing the app, first of all, we need to define these two exceptions. If n is less than 0, we need to raise an error. Which type of error? Value error. Can't pass negative values to factorial. And if n equals 0, number 1 is the factorial of 0. Let's clean up my code. We don't need this pass statement anymore. For calculating the factorial, I want to define a variable named fac equals 1 and then make an iteration from 1 to n plus 1. We write n plus 1 here because n plus 1 itself is not included and n is included and we want it. We have to tell here fac is equal fac multiplied by I. Why do we do this? Because we want to multiply the first number, which is 1, to 2 and 3 and until n minus 1 and n. In the end, we want to return the fac. Let's run the program and give it, for example, 5, 120. For example, 4, 24, 0, we get 1, and so on. If you didn't understand this part, I want to show you something else. In the first loop, we have fac equals 1 multiplied by 1. In the second loop, we have fac equals 1 multiplied by 2. In the third loop, we have fac is 2 multiplied by 3. Fourth loop, 6 multiplied by 4. Here is the I, is increasing 1 by 1. But here is fac. And what is this? It's the multiplication of 1, 2, 3, and here is 4. Is this okay? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If any question, write your question down in the comment section below, and please like and share and subscribe. It motivates me to make better content for you.